Take two A4 sheets of different colors and cut the sheets in slant direction, in 60-degree direction from the middle. After cutting, paste two different color sheets to make one A4 paper. You have to paste it here. After pasting the sheet, it will look like this. Now you have to make 1 centimeters pointings on the sheet to the both sides of the A4 sheet. See, like this you have to make markings to 1 centimeter measurement on both sides of the paper. This side also you have to make the marking to 1 centimeters. See, now I have made the marking on both sides. Now we have to join these markings and draw the lines. Like this we have to join the lines, the whole paper. After joining the lines, it will look like this. Now we have to cut these lines. Before cutting the lines, at the edge also we have to take the measurement of 1.5 centimeters so that we can cut the sheet up to here only on both sides. This side and this side also you have to make 1.5 centimeters marking and you have to draw a line. Now you have to cut the sheet from this point to this point and you have to cut the whole sheet. After cutting the whole sheet, it will appear like this. After cutting the sheet, you have to roll it and you have to paste the either sides of the sheet. At this point you have to paste the sheet and make it like a cylinder. After pasting here, it will appear like this. Now take another A4 sheet and roll it and make a cylinder. You have to paste these edges and you have to make it a cylinder. After pasting this paper, take the cylinder and you have to insert this cylinder inside the cutted one. See, like this. Now you have to paste the gum to one side of the cylinder. This side I have pasted now, and another side I have not pasted. See, I have not pasted this side. You have to push this side downwards like this. If you push it, it will become bulge here and it will appear like this. Now you have to paste two strips of 1.5 centimeters each to the both ends of the design. See, like this, one side you have to paste and the end here also you have to paste. Now draw a circle of 10 centimeters radius and cut it, and inside the circle make another circle of 4 centimeters radius, another circle of 4 centimeters radius and cut this portion. After cutting, it will look like this. In these two circles you have to make a 60-degree triangle like this and you have to cut this part. You have to cut this part. After cutting the parts, it will look like this. Now we have to join the two ends like this and you have to paste it. Both parts you have to paste at the ends. After pasting, it will look like this. The closed one we have to paste at the top and the opened one you have to paste at the bottom like this. After pasting, you have to put a tag to it. Here you can put a hole and you can insert a bulb. From down it will appear. For putting the tag, you can take a strip and you can paste it like this. Now the sky lamp is ready to hang.